Hello guys, welcome back to the Programming Guide channel. My name is Beatrice, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to order on 1688 app as a beginner in China mini importation. Right, so once you get the app, create an account. That's not even the main thing. The main thing is how do I get to understand how the app works and how to get my stuff once I place an order and pay and to ship to receive review and the rest of that. So after getting the app, you see this one is actually in English. They wrote some in English and some are not in English too. It's just the currency right there. So assuming yours is not in English, you can't see anything in English. All you need to do is you have to screenshot it and go to your Google Translate. And once you go to your Google Translate, you click on camera and you try to add up the screenshots to translate in order for you to understand what the price is saying or what the item is for and the sizes. So let's say we want to get this jacket right here. So all you need to do is click on it and you can see different colors that you want to buy and you click on it and you can see a lot is being written right here. So you can see source, category, ready stock, brand, order number, and the rest of that. So you can decide to pick a color for the shirt, for the jacket you're buying. So you can see a lot of color are here, so you can just pick one right there. And let's screenshot this to know what it's saying and what it's all about. So let me take a screenshot of it. And now let's go to our Google Translate because that's what we'll be using right here. So this is it. So let's wait for it to get translated. Okay, it's already been translated. So okay, so it says after Kapuka. Okay, there's a product we purchase with and 30 plus people have added to their carts. And what again? They say it's fierce lined for warmness, a top choice for winter, and promise to ship within 4 days, shipping to the center of China and to Nigeria. Then the said drop shipping exclusive and the rest of that. So you can see this right here. So after doing that, you can see where you can see add cart. So you can just add to that, or you can just click on place order. So let's go back and click on place order. Let's click on place order to see how it's going to work, right? And you have to be patient in order to understand and don't make any mistake as you're ordering, because it's not something that is in Nigeria that you can just make mistake and you can just call the person on the phone and start shouting or try to tell them to make a refund. Though they do refund, but I think it's within 7 days. So tell me how a ship is going to actually get to the place, unless it's air cargo you're going to use. Right, so you can just pick a color. Let's say I want to get the gray color, and okay, the gray color, right? And you can see the price right there. They said estimated price is $6.85 per one pieces. So right there, so you can just click down there and now you have to pick the size you want. So you can just pick on small, medium, large, extra large, and the rest of that. So I'm going to click on small, click on the plus sign, right? So you need to click on the plus sign. You can see I got one, and now you click on buy now. So this is my buy now, and it's going to take a long time for that to process. And you can see this. So I don't really know what this is saying right now. So what you need to do, always try to screenshot and translate so you don't make mistake. You don't make mistakes. You don't make mistakes because you can't see these people. You can see no shipping address yet. Please click below to add, to manually add your shipping address. So now you have to add up your shipping address. You can see add temporal address. You can just click on that and add up your address. So once you add up your address, that is that, and you have placed your order. You have to pay and the rest of that. If this guide was helpful, give it a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get some helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys. That's my next video. Bye.